Join me as I dig deep to uncover the leaked specs, price, and release date of the DJI Osmo Action 6. Let's see if I can get to the bottom of this mystery. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is undoubtedly one of the most highly anticipated action cameras of the year, and for good reason. As a successor to the incredibly popular Osmo Action 2, it's going to have a lot to live up to. With action camera enthusiasts and professionals alike eagerly waiting to get their hands on it, it's no surprise that everyone's buzzing about it. There's been a lot of uncertainty surrounding the leaked specs, price, and release date of the DJI Osmo Action 6, which has left many potential buyers wondering what to expect. The fact that there's so much speculation out there only adds to the mystery, making it harder for people to make informed decisions. One thing's for sure, though, the rumors and leaks have only fueled the hype, and I'm excited to dive in and separate fact from fiction. One thing that's become increasingly clear is that DJI is taking its time to perfect the Osmo Action 6, and it's likely that the wait will be well worth it. The question on everyone's mind, of course, is what exactly can we expect from this new camera? Will it be a revolutionary leap forward, or more of an iterative update? As I dig deeper into the leaked specs, I'm starting to get a clearer picture of what might be in store for us. The leaks have been coming in thick and fast, and it's clear that DJI is trying to create a camera that genuinely pushes the boundaries of what's possible. From improved image quality to enhanced stabilization, it's looking like the Osmo Action 6 might just be the most capable action camera on the market. But with great power comes great responsibility, and I'm curious to see how DJI plans to implement these new features in a way that's both user-friendly and practical. Let's take a closer look at some of the leaked specs that have got everyone talking. On paper, at least, the Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a beast of a camera. With a brand new sensor and improved lens, it's likely that image quality will be significantly better than its predecessor. Add to that enhanced stabilization and advanced features like horizon leveling, and you've got a recipe for some truly breathtaking footage. One feature that's really caught my attention, though, is the rumored inclusion of a live streaming capability. This could be a total game changer for content creators and vloggers, allowing them to share their adventures with the world in real time. The implications of this are huge, and I think it could be a major selling point for the Osmo Action 6. Of course, there are still many unanswered questions surrounding the Osmo Action 6, and I'm sure we'll have to wait until the official release to get all the details. But one thing's for sure, if the leaked specs are anything to go by, this camera is going to be a serious contender in the action camera market. The most exciting part, though, is the potential for DJI to genuinely innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible. In terms of what we can take away from these leaks, it's clear that the DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a powerhouse of a camera. Whether or not it'll live up to the hype remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure, I'll be keeping a close eye on developments and bringing you all the latest news and updates as soon as I get them. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're as excited about the Osmo Action 6 as I am, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're looking for more action camera goodness, be sure to check out my previous video on the best action cameras of 2023, you won't be disappointed.